Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I'm very sorry about the radio silence lately. I've been very busy these last few weeks, but today I'm back with a new video and I am very excited. So I wanted to try something out that I've seen a bunch of artists use, but I've never actually tried it myself. And it's gouache paint. Gouache? I don't know. But anyway, to start with, I purchased this set of mixing colors by Royal Talons. And it's just the 3 primary colors and black and white. And then I'm just using some mixed media paper and a selection of brushes. So I tried putting just plain paint down on the paper and it was very dry and very opaque. So I added some water and it got a lot more smooth to apply to the paper. So I just made this gradient all the way down the page to see all the different shades you can obtain with the color, and I did the same with the red one. And then I dabbled in some blending of 2 different shades, which, well, it didn't go that well. But then I also tried putting down just 1 shade of color and letting it dry, and then applying a new shade on top to see whether or not it would mix or how it would show up. And I was actually really surprised about how bright and opaque the yellow was on top of the pink. So I'm definitely very excited about that. After playing around with the colors a bit, I decided to just go ahead and start creating a piece. So I taped up my paper and started to mix this very cute pink color. And I realized about halfway through coloring the background that I probably should have mixed some more, because when I went back to mix more pink, it of course didn't have the exact same shade. So the background ended up a little bit streaky, but I think with practice you can get a much smoother surface than what I got here. When I was done with the background, I started layering on a bunch of leaves. Yeah, that was pretty much it. So I wanted to test out what the best way of applying color onto an already dried down layer is, and I quickly found out that applying a very wet wash of paint to the existing dried layer will often reactivate the old layer and they will blend more easily. So I did that with a few of the leaves to give the illusion of them being like way in the background. And with the leaves that were supposed to be closer, I mixed a very opaque wash of color with almost no water in it, so they would really stand out from the background. Oh, and apologies for the sun interfering with my time-lapse. Overall, I'm really happy about the paints. They do dry a very different color than they are when they're wet. So often lighter colors will dry down darker, and vice versa. And really the whole process was very repetitive, but I did a few different shades of green and washes, so it looks like some of them blend in more with the background and some of them stand out a lot. When I was happy with the amount of leaves, I just added a few white highlights to a few of them, and that was pretty much it. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you would like to see me try out something else, please leave a comment down below and tell me. And if you have any questions or ideas, please feel free to contact me. And otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!